After working with lots of SaaS companies and their founders, I oftentimes see that they really focus on selling their product rather than selling the outcome, right? And this really hinders the ability and the amount of actually positive replies and actually meetings and demos they get from like cold email, cold, LinkedIn DMs or whatever. And in this video, I'm going to explain like what I mean by that, what the usual email looks like from those SaaS companies and how you can fix it, right? So as you can see on the screen, I have like a simple basic email, and this is like one of the good versions of the SaaS emails that usually people send out to. I'm not even talking about the ones that are like really long, really super detailed, really even bullet points and stuff, which is not ideal because with cold email, the whole game is making it short, making it super simple, and go straight to the point. All right. Now, usually email, what they usually say is like, hey John, we built an AI-powered analytics platform that integrates with Salesforce and automates your reporting workflows. Would you be open to a quick demo? Right? It's amazing because it's super short, but it really just talks about the features. And like, we built an AI-powered analytics platform that integrates with Salesforce. That's good because probably you found like a variable or whatever that you found that they use Salesforce. Hopefully you found it, and automates your reporting workflows. Like, what does that even mean, right? I mean, yeah, you automate the reporting of workflows, but what's the point, right? Because with each, well, I guess, even word or like sentence in cold emails or like LinkedIn DMs, you want to make it valuable and you actually want to make it to sound like, it would actually help them, right? Because whenever someone, enters your Google email, opens it up, they actually think like, what's in it for me? WIIFM, right? Like, what's in it for, I'm not gonna write it out. But basically, it means what's in it for me. Because as human psychology, everyone knows that, hey, we are selfish creatures and we actually, want to get things for us, right? And your cold emails, any like outbound platform that you use, whether it be sales, even ads, right? Everything should be about them and your prospect. Nothing about you, right? You can kind of mention like what you do, but like in the end, you still have to say and talk about like what is the benefit for them, replying back to you, booking a meeting with you, and actually, doing the sale, right? Now, if you own a SaaS company or you work in a SaaS company, I'd love to walk you through our whole process on how we work with SaaS companies to actually, get them more demos and actually secure their pipeline. So it's always filled out. You can actually, scale your company. Okay. So feel free. There's going to be a link down below, the first link in the description. Feel free to book a strategy call with me. We'll basically on the call, what we do is I'll build out a full plan for you to scale with outbound. So you could actually have a system in place that is predictable and repeatable, so if anytime, you have a season that is low, you can actually book a ton of demos and actually, grow your company. So feel free to click the link down below and I'll be looking forward to talking with you. So after you made your email, actually about them, it's gonna look something like this. Like, hey John, most RevOps teams spend 10 plus hours a month pulling manual reports. We built something that automates it completely. If your team could save 10 hours a month, would you be open to a quick demo? Right? Now this whole thing is almost the same. It's just structured differently, right? Here you talk about, your AI powered analytics system, but here you talk about that, like if you were doing cold email, cold outbound, you probably know that they have RevOps team, right? Most RevOps teams spend 10 plus hours, right? That's quite a lot of hours if you're speaking with big companies, a month pulling manual reports, and we built something that automates that completely. If your team could save 10 hours a month, would you be open to a quick demo, right? Here, our call to action, our CTA, was about just, would you open to a quick demo? What demo about what, right? Here, if your team could save 10 hours a month, would you be open to a quick demo, right? Now, what it does is on a quick demo, I'll show you how you can save, how your team can save 10 hours a month, which I feel like that's a pretty good proposal for a company that's actually, want to make everything lean and actually make money. So I guess in this case, save money from, the time that they are doing right now and what the other team could be doing when they have your automation system, right? So basically, 10 hours could be enough, but you also could do like save 10 hours a month or could save, X amount of dollars per month because it also works since, those team members are paid. They could be doing other tasks in the meantime if they were, automate from 10 hours, like 1 hour a month. You have like 9 extra hours to save time, do other tasks, and actually make more money, right? So you could even structure this whole cold email around making money, making revenue, and getting bigger profits, right? So yeah, hopefully I made this video as valuable as possible. Basically, they kind of summarize everything. Everything needs to be in a way where you're talking about them. It's everything is about them and no one else, right? Because you want to give value. The whole promise of your services should be giving them value and what your SaaS tool actually gives them, what saves them, how they can increase more money from your SaaS tool. Because what's the point of buying a service from someone if they cannot help me, right? Unless I'm doing charity work, then why not? But otherwise, a business, a B2B SaaS software should actually help a company out with one way or the other, right? So appreciate you. Have an amazing day, and bye bye.